So hello friends, welcome back. Now in the today's session we are going to discuss about the term called as a critical damping coefficient. Now what is critical damping coefficient? This term is very much important for this module because this term we are going to use frequently for while solving the numericals. Now what is the critical damping coefficient? Now first focus on the definition, what it is written. The critical damping coefficient, which is generated by a term called as Cc, is the value of the damping coefficient. We know the C is the value of the damping coefficient क्योंकि आपने पढ़ा है F equals to C into H dot. C is the damping coefficient at which the frequency of the free damped vibration is 0 and the motion is what? Is aperiodic. मोशन क्या है आपका? aperiodic है. इस स्टेटमेंट का मतलब क्या है कि आपका जो C है डैम्पिंग कोएफिशिएंट वो किसके इक्वल हो जाएगा? क्रिटिकल डैम्पिंग कोएफिशिएंट के इक्वल हो जाएगा. कब? जब आपका फ्रीक्वेंसी क्या हो जाएगी? 0 एंड द मोशन इज व्हाट? एपीरियोडिक. अगर मैं इसको ग्राफिकली रिप्रेजेंट करूं, so for C equal to Cc, this condition to be satisfied, you will get this kind of a graph. Means at this location you can see what? Your frequency will become 0 because there is no SHM and the motion is what? Aperiodic because there is no SHM also and frequency is also 0 because there is no amplitude. So when C is equal to Cc, this is the condition. जब आपको C को किससे रिप्लेस करना है? C तो एक डैम्पिंग कोएफिशिएंट है, उसको अगर आपको क्रिटिकल डैम्पिंग कोएफिशिएंट बनाना है तो कौन कौन सी कंडीशन वैलिड होनी चाहिए? फर्स्ट द फ्रीक्वेंसी शुड बी 0. ऑब्वियसली जब आपका एम्पलीट्यूड ही नहीं बचेगा, ये एम्पलीट्यूड खत्म हो जाएगा यहाँ पे, तो आपका फ्रीक्वेंसी होगा ही नहीं. एंड सेकंड, मोशन इज अपीरियोडिक, देयर इज ए नो SHM विल बी परफॉर्म इन दिस सिस्टम. देन वी कैन से दैट आपका जो डैम्पिंग कोएफिशिएंट है वो किसके इक्वल हो चुका है? क्रिटिकल. उसके आगे भी करोगे तो आपकी जो ये लाइन है ये स्ट्रेट ही जाने वाली है. मीन्स योर डैम्पिंग कोएफिशिएंट विल बिकम द क्रिटिकल. आफ्टर दिस देयर इज नो SHM and there is no frequency of the system. Fine. Now again we will apply some basic rule of the mathematics to derive the value of the damping coefficient. Now this is the root of the equation S12 and its general solution is what? X equals to A e raised to S1t plus B e raised to S2t. Okay, and we are mostly focusing on the critical damping coefficient. तो critical damping coefficient का क्या होगा? Damping coefficient will become equals to what? Critical damping coefficient. कब? जब frequency 0, motion is aperiodic. अब उस केस में if we go with the mathematical term by the rule of indiscriminate, okay, so जो discrimination का जो रूल है वो क्या कहता है कि जो आपके रूट के अंदर का जो टर्म है d, that will become equals to the 0. Means your d should be equals to 0 by the rule of discriminant. Okay, d should be equals to 0. d क्या हो गया आपका? b square minus 4ac should be equals to 0. b square minus 4ac should be equals to 0. These are the mathematics जो आपने पढ़ा है बट आपको याद नहीं होगा, but for time being you have to remember. By the rule of discriminant, d should be equals to 0 for c equals to cc. अगर आपको c equals to cc करना है, आपको डैम्पिंग कोएफिशिएंट को क्रिटिकल डैम्पिंग कोएफिशिएंट में कन्वर्ट करना है, देन द रूट के जो अंदर जो d का टर्म है दैट शुड बी इक्वल्स टू व्हाट? 0. क्योंकि हम डीप मैथमेटिक्स में हम जाने वाले नहीं है, सिर्फ ऊपर ही ऊपर से मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ एंड उतना ही आपको रिक्वायर्ड है. सो इफ आई वांट टू सिंप्लीफाई, d is what? c by 2m square minus k by m should be equals to 0 for c equals to cc. अब थोड़ा इसको रीअरेंज करते हैं. So I will get c by 2m as under root of k by m. Fine ना? As under root of k by m. मुझे c को किससे रिप्लेस करना है? cc से. c is replaced by cc by 2m. तभी तो ये आपका जो रूट के अंदर का टर्म है किसके इक्वल हो गया? 0 के इक्वल हो गया. and you know under root of k by m is nothing but your omega n. So from here we can say that the value of Cc, critical damping coefficient, is nothing but 2m into omega n. Or we can directly substitute this also here. So you will get Cc as what? Under root of k by m into 2m. ठीक है, ये m को अंदर ले जाओगे तो क्या हो जाएगा m स्क्वायर, और नीचे वाले m से कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो ये बचेगा आपका 2 अंडर रूट ऑफ k बाय k m. फाइन. So these are the two formulas of finding the value of Cc. Fine. आपको Cc निकालना है by using the formula 2m omega n or by using the formula as 2 under root of k by m. So these are the two formulas that you are going to frequently use in your vibration when it is the case of the critical damping. Over damp Cc आपको लगेगा ही critical damping coefficient. So it is calculated by formula 2m omega n. So hope आपको ये चीज क्लियर हो गई होगी, because it requires a base of mathematics. If not, you are having a base of mathematics, but then also remember, if you want to make the system as critical damping, the term inside the root should be equals to 0, b square minus 4ac should be equals to 0, and you have to replace c by cc. So this term is equals to 0, replacing c by cc, and whatever the value you are getting, that is nothing but the value of the critical damping coefficient. Hope this is clear to everyone. You should remember only this formula and the definition, which when it is being asked in your examination. So till then, thank you.